we are living in a world full of turmoil, problems, disturbances, stress, strain, tension and whatnot. Every one of you, me, others, want to have a comfortable, satisfactory, happy life every time. But do we get it? We always think about it. Are we getting it? You go back to your home, or you get your real pleasure at the home. Do you think your family is always happy with you, or you are happy with your family? Are your children moving on the right path? Do they behave what you wanted them to behave? Do they cooperate with you? Do the people you work around, work with, behave properly the way the law wants it? Or the social system demands it? We have a big no. When that's a big no, tell me why this is the big no. Can't we get back into it? Why can't we draw pleasure out of our work? Pleasure in the society, happiness in our work, satisfaction in our performance, competency everywhere. Why can't our seniors like us every time? Why can't your juniors like you every time? Why can't your colleagues find you a wonderful personality in you? Yes, possible, it's very much possible. A lot of research is going on this called emotions. Emotions, you know emotions. Our brain has got two areas, the emotional mind and the rational mind. The rational mind is your intellectual mind. The irrational mind is your emotional mind. We all need emotions. You have anger, you have love, you have hatred, you have fear, you have every sort of emotion in you, in us, every one of us. But do we employ the emotions at the right way? Are we checking our emotions on the right level? That is the question. Are we not letting the emotions to rule us? Or is it the emotions are ruled by us? This is the question to you. Do you work under emotions, or you work keeping the emotions down? Emotion is a wonderful terminology. It's a very good thing without which nobody can live. But if you check your emotions every time by using the God-given analytical mind, when I say analytical mind, the rational mind, will you stand perfect, proper everywhere? You will have problems, external, internal. Every time you will have problems. But when you have the problems, most of the problems will create negative emotions. When I say negative emotion, if you get angry, unnecessarily keep on talking against people, you move out with outrageous anger, it's a negative emotion. If you use the anger for a purpose, in a particular time, in a perfect manner, that anger is good. It's an emotion. Gentlemen, basically, there are 4 emotions. Deep knowledge into the emotional intelligence, what it is. How does it play on us? How does it play on others? How does all those problems are coming to us because of the negative emotions which places on in us, which forces us to do a thing or not do it.